Okay. We're going back in the home of the wild Josh. Because we're going to try and find it.
Yes. Now, go on then. We're going. Come on. Come on. Yes, that's right. Come on, follow us. Oh my God. We're actually in the den of the wild Josh. And like, where is the wild Josh?
Oh my gosh, look at this place.
Look. Lots of vegetation. Lots of vegetation everywhere. I think this is a vegetarian.
I think he might be. Oh
Who
yeah,
will?
because you get meat eaters and then you get vegetarians, don't you?
Yeah, but only. Oh, there he is!
It's a wild Josh! Don't hurt me, please. Take the Ben. He's a Ben.
No, this way. I'll save you.
See, he's a Ben, so he's trying to pull me. Yeah, okay. I sacrificed the wild Ben to you.
I'm the voice of a guy. You can't kill me.
I don't care. Get him. He's right there. Ah!
Sir, I don't get much food.
We don't care. Ah! Ben! Run! Ah!
I'm only asking where's the next pizzeria. So you want Palermo's, which is over there?
Yeah.
And Yankees, which is also over there. I heard your mom
Run! Oh, I'm trying to get it on camera. I need to get this on camera. Ah! Run, voice of a guy, run! Oh my gosh, he's assaulting the wild. Well, not the wild Ben.
It's also a sexual predator. Beware, it's a sexual predator. Do not encounter a wild Josh on your own!
Want to know where Zoidberg is?